So guys, here is Orion Ventures third version. We released yesterday and look here 164.16 on volatility 75 index. So look here, let's review on what the robot did. This is the pure scalping signals and also did the scalping. Look here if you cross the and look here, one more thing I wish to tell you. Look here, the stop loss and a take profit also placed by the robot. Watch the previous video so you understand clearly, okay, how this robot is going to work for you. And look at the pure scalping was 0.001 on volatility index. This robot for all volatility index you can use on boom and crash step index and volatility indexes is not for range break and a jump index. I hope you guys get that. Orion one shares version 2 version 3 sorry version 2 we have recently released, and yesterday we released 3.1. We have included in the stop loss and the take profit and the trailing stop and all features. It's a buy and a sale and also trend predictions and a lot of things included in this expected advice. This is really gonna make you awesome profit daily basis. Look at the pure scalping using this expected advice, the pure stop loss and a take profit. And look here, this is all from our robot, okay. 164. Let's take this withdraw friend of you guys. I'm going to place a withdraw from my account, and $160 I already transfer from MT5 account, okay. And now it's time to take the withdraw, and let's see, click on withdraw option. So let's make a withdraw, okay. I just clicked on a withdraw. I hope they have sent me an email. Let me go for my check my email inbox and look here. I hope the email is arrived there. Okay, here is the binary.com withdraw email. Now let's place a withdraw. Okay, let's click on the link and go to on website and place a withdraw. Today profit made by this robot. How to use? We have instruction video. Also, when you purchase this, we send you the instruction video how to use this. And look here, 164. I'm going to withdraw in my secret $164 in my secret account. Okay, the payout request is sent. Okay, now here is the payout request. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.